my watchers, and I am a YouTuber creator, Songju Choi. I have some top and how Thai living is. I'm trying to share with you and question to you. The topic of today is alcoholic working wife with non-alcoholic husband. Husband love her over alcoholics. The husband how to live her. This is my personal story. This is a real story. So my living is can go, can stay. I'm now sorrowfully hard. And my wife today in the morning said to me, I will drink alcohol. So I thought that is how Thai do. I go out of home and sleep out of home and other just motel or other places. And now deep antagonizing, deep hard livings, the alcoholics, alcohol working woman. Her job is public officers. Her position is, her job is for over 32 years old, so maybe top ranker of workers. Her characteristic is depends on alcoholics, alcoholic business. This is general. This is no one no criticize her. This is free. Alcoholic is not sin or crime. But I'm her husband. I have been living her about after marrying 32 over years. It is very hard. I am non-alcoholic person. But I love her, even huge number of troubling cause of alcohols. This is status of I can go, I can stay. If my living wife, non-alcoholic woman, then it must be better livings. But who knows in the life my living wife drinking alcoholics. That is very strong argument, strong tools to business. SMS. I really hate drinking alcoholic wife, but I love her. And today I'm really complexes how I do. We are sleeping in the motel, out of home. We are sleeping home. And my wife and me, husband and wife, battles for long times. Yesterday, we solved the battles. But today, her beginning, alcohol drinkings. But I love her. It is a really hard time to me. What I'm saying is, alcohol is not crime. Alcoholic, my wife, her living tools, alcohols. If her living with alcohol and just without me, then no problems. Returning home of her alcohol status is, I am her watchers. I am waiting her coming of alcoholics. Sometimes, how do I live in her? How do I live in her? Maybe she so long time drinking alcohol because of body conditions deteriorate. Not good. But still, she keep drinking alcoholics. As I just endure with her alcoholics. But as she say, after alcoholic, just night alcoholic, this morning is out of alcohol, saying, what is problems? What is problem? She said to me, arguing against me. But I'm really, scared of her alcoholics. Her behavior is Saturday, Sunday is angels. From Monday to Friday is fearful, just wicked souls, maybe. It is I'm very pure over alcoholics. Alcoholic's wife and me, all communication is broken. And furthermore, husband watching, tried, and alcoholics. If just one day in the morning started to the workplace, coming is alcoholics, then all days there is no my wife. But my wife and me is morning time and nighttime alcoholics. And her alcoholics, my feeling really, really angry and really, the feeling is bad. I have lived for 32 years. But she said, I haven't any problem with you. She said, I am not any bad for you. What is problem every day? It is alcoholic working women, non-alcoholic retired man, non-alcohol husband retired man 61 years old, and still workers of alcoholic woman is 56 years old. Presumably, her retired time is still 5 years. She must keep drinking alcohols. My living is hell. As I'm going old, maybe 67 years old, then she will be tired from her job. And after 3 years, I got reached at 70 years. This is my situation. I love her. She and me got 2 sons and daughter, one son, 1 daughter. As she lived alcoholics. And fought with me so that my life because of her. I treat her every ways impossible. I haven't any policies how to be livings. If I get out of her, then that is not long-term problem solving. How do I do? Furthermore, her drinking habitude is really tough. She is a woman, but she just treats me as tough. I'm really scared and fear and my long life. I'm getting older. Sometimes I felt that is why I am. But I will not, never ever. I love her. I love her. So I'll keep living as her. Alcoholic woman. When Andrew Vischer went to Andrew Vischer, then her status, how will change from alcoholic to non-alcoholic woman? And now, I do not know it. But still she argues. I have problem with you? No, I have problem with you. She's keep anger. And furthermore, she insistent to me. If you do not live with me, then we will not go living with me. We will depart with each other. Her strong anger. At the time, I felt that is why that woman's so living that way. A man is really want to live in peace and excitement livings. Why she keep drinking alcohol? How about you, watchers? All of you have some question to answer. Can you talking to me? Can you help me? Thank you very much.